Hey, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be sending a SMS with a pre-approved bird template. Some of you might be wondering why templates are needed, so I just want to give you a quick rundown. So usually when you're sending a plain text SMS, you need to decide on everything. You need to decide the content, the sender, write the copy, you need to pick out all of the variables and pick up a category. The good thing about templates is that we actually take care of all of that, specifically the sender, because that's something that is quite tedious for some destinations. Now, destination-specific rules apply. For the Netherlands, for example, it's quite lenient, but when sending a message to the United States, you need to do a full registration process. Now, in the event that you just need to send a few verification messages there, instead of having to go through the entire verification process for yourself, you can use one of our pre-approved templates instead. Templates can be found in the dashboard when we navigate to SMS and templates, and here you can see a quite range of different types of messages that you can send right on the go. So they're split up into multiple categories. So we've got marketing, transactional, authentication, and service messages. Let's go to a transactional message. Let's say an order confirmation. As you can see, the format of the message is pretty straightforward. So you've got the order, and then we've got variables in place to allow you to still customize the message towards the specific use case. And the exact template is also pretty straightforward. Now, as you can see, it's a simple post request. You need to do the authentication. And then instead of writing out everything, all that we actually submit is the template. We give it the template name, and then we include all of the parameters that we actually want to fill in. So in this case, the order reference, the amount, and the currency. And then all of this would actually just be sent directly to the user. Now let's have a quick look at another one. Let's go to a authentication one. And here you can see the setup is exactly the same. Everything is already pre-registered in terms of the type. It's a system message. We've got that name. And then here again, we can see that full flow in terms of sending a template. All right, now we can just send one quite quickly. So let's take the password authentication, and I'm going to copy the information. I'm going to head over to a terminal session. All right, so I've opened up a fresh terminal session, and I've just pasted in the exact same snippet. I've just filled out my API key and phone number. I'm just going to trigger this, and we can exactly see the response. So we've got a good response. We can actually see that the text is redacted because it's an OTP message, and immediately we can see the message coming from the pre-approved sender off fly, and simple as that. Happy sending.